Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you are visiting my channel, then you need to know that here I provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and strategies for a successful affiliate marketing. The tide in the affiliate marketing business has become so fierce that you need to be on top of the game. Otherwise, you will be swept away. Without much ado, let's dive in. But before that, don't forget to like and share this video if you derive value from it, and also subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first to be notified when I upload another interesting video. Since you have watched this video up to this point, you are probably wondering or searching for how to choose a niche for your affiliate marketing business. Stick around, because that's exactly what I want to talk about, as I'll be revealing how to choose your ideal affiliate marketing niche, the 5 ultimate steps. But because this is a huge topic and I intend to give you detailed information, I'll be presenting it in 5 steps. Today, we'll be exploring step 1. You need to subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified as soon as I upload the other steps. I know you're ready, so let's dive in. Okay, now when choosing a niche, you must bear in mind that there are 3 major categories of affiliate marketing niches. They are health, wealth, and relationship. There are other categories, but these 3 are the major ones. You cannot just delve into any of these categories as a niche, because you will spread yourself too thin trying to satisfy your audience, as it will be way too broad for you. Moreover, the ocean is too wide for you, except if you are one of the gurus, the experts, the pros, the whales, and the sharks of affiliate marketing, which I suppose you are not. Otherwise, you will not be searching for an affiliate marketing niche. So you need something that will propel you to hang in there, even when the odds are against you. You need to, step 1, identify your passions and interests. The first step to finding the ideal niche for your affiliate marketing business is to identify your passions and interests. This is important because when you choose a niche that you are passionate about or that you have interest in, you are more likely to enjoy the work you're doing and put in the effort needed to make it successful. Passion is like the engine oil in an active engine. It lubricates the running of the engine, enabling it to work for long hours without burning out. The same goes for your passion. Your passion is that internal combustible energy that keeps you taking a particular kind of action without getting tired. It provides you with the intrinsic satisfaction over the result of your action. Passion makes you not mind whether you are being rewarded for your action or not. The fact is that you love what you are doing. On the other hand, interest is that piece of action, event, or program that you have come to appreciate and cherish over time. Something that has developed a gravitating force in you that whenever you have the opportunity, you will want to relive it. Let's look at the 5 steps that can help you identify your passions and interests. Step A. Topics you enjoy learning or discussing about. What are the things you like discussing when you find yourself among your friends? Is it playing games such as soccer, wrestling, handball, baseball, politics, fashion, latest news, digital marketing, and so on? What's your choice of friends based on? How do you go about selecting your friends? What is that thing that you love learning a little bit more about, even though it is not your main job? What topics engage you most? If you are able to answer these questions, you are almost 100% sure of knowing your passions and interests. Step B. Your hobbies. We all have hobbies. I do. A hobby is an activity you usually engage in your spare time. It's more like a passion. You simply love doing it as often as you can. A hobby gives you satisfaction, with or without money involved. It could be traveling, cooking, singing, washing dishes, dancing, teaching, playing games, or playing drama. The list is endless. Hobby comes naturally to you, probably innately endowed. Do you know that hobby you have could be turned into a money-breathing machine? Think about it. Step C. Your past work experience. Do you know your past or even present work experience is a gold mine and can help you choose a niche for your affiliate marketing business? Let's look at some of the things you may focus on when assessing your work experience. First, consider the industries or fields you have worked in previously. What tasks did you enjoy the most? What subjects or areas did you find most interesting? This can help you give you an idea of the types of niches you may want to explore. Second, think about any specialized skills or knowledge you have gained through your past work experience. For example, if you have a background in finance, you may want to consider affiliate marketing niches related to personal finance or investing. Third, consider the types of customers or clients you enjoyed working with in your past roles. This can help you identify target audiences for your potential affiliate marketing niches. Overall, your past work experience can be a valuable resource in identifying your passions and interests and ultimately choosing the right affiliate marketing niche. Step D, that's number 4. Books you enjoy reading. The books you enjoy reading can reveal a lot about your passions and interests. By examining the books you choose to read in your free time, you can gain insight into the topics and themes that you are most drawn to. For example, if you find yourself frequently gravitating towards books about health and wellness, this could indicate that you have a passion for promoting healthy living or a desire to help others improve their well-being. In terms of choosing a niche for your affiliate marketing business, examining the books you enjoy can help you identify potential areas of focus. If you enjoy reading about personal finance and investing, for instance, you may want to consider a niche in the finance or investment space. Alternatively, If you enjoy reading about travel and adventure, you may want to consider a niche in the travel or tourism industry. Overall, examining the books you enjoy reading can provide valuable insights into your passions and interests, which can in turn inform your choice of a niche for your affiliate marketing business. Step E, that's number 5. Shows or events you love watching or attending. What events or shows hold your interest? When you put on your TV, what kind of program do you love watching? If you have a choice to make in attending one of these 5 life events happening at the same time around where you live, which one will it be? Event 1, a football match. Event 2, a political rally. Event 3, a church crusade. Event 4, your town meeting. Event 5, a friend's birthday party. Which one will you attend? Your choice of events to attend may help answer the question of your interests and passions. In the next video, we will be discussing how you will conduct market research to determine if the passion or interest you have come up with is viable. So look out for it. However, if you are in a hurry and cannot wait for me to upload the other steps, I have put together a comprehensive checklist for selecting your ideal affiliate marketing niche. I'll put the link in the description below. Click on it to download it. It is free. It will help you fast track your affiliate marketing business. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.